Let's go.
Right. Computer. Text. CPP.
Hey everybody, it's Ryan with CPP Tech. How you guys doing today? I'm torn because I'm trying to stay away from unboxing stuff. This will probably be one of the last ones, unless I get something that's really cool. But I actually got a camera. It's a vlogging camera. On Amazon, it was $120. It's a no-name. I want to check it out, see if I can use this to replace, pardon me. I'm going to try to use this to replace the GoPro for my all-the-time camera stuff for the channel. I have mixed feelings about the GoPro using it as the YouTube channel. And I might make a video on that later on. What's going on with it is I'll record like this here. After so long, it will actually start to break up the video into folders. Well, I'm recording separate audio, and that audio file is really long, and then whenever I get it over here into post, I got one long video or one long audio and then a whole bunch of separate videos. And what I have to do actually is go in there and piece all those videos together, make them all one, and then go in there and sync up the audio, and it's just a pain in the rear. I'm hoping that this is going to be the solution. I'm actually gonna just do the unboxing. We'll go over everything that's on there. We'll do a sneak peek on what the video looks like versus the GoPro. But I want to use this for about a week, and then I want to come back and make another video on all the stuff that I filmed throughout that whole week. I'm actually going to use it as a vlogging camera, just to see what it does. But we're going to use that for a whole week, and we'll see how that turns out. And if I give it a thumbs up or thumbs down, or just return it to Amazon. I'm going to open this up, and let's see what we have inside. Well, right away, stuff looks a little nice. It's got a box that says accessories. It actually comes with a charger, a plug-in charger. That is actually a plus. There's very rarely anything I buy anymore. It's got the USB, but this is never in there, so that's always a good thing. I kind of like that. We're already at a plus so far. This says accessories, so I'm sure there's batteries. I know it comes with 2 batteries and another lens. There's the lens, the extra lens. The lens comes in a bag. Set that aside. The bag's not too bad. It's a nice heavy cloth. So it's got a protector on it. This says macro lens. Okay. All right. It's a wide angle lens, 55 millimeter. Okay, well, 2.0. My eyes are horrible. So that's a wide angle lens, so that's pretty neat that comes with that. We'll have to check out both the wide angle and what comes on there. If I can get that back on. But this little bag, that looks, it's pretty solid. All right, let's see what this is. More accessories. This probably has the batteries in it. Oh, I know what it is. So there's the USB. I did do research on it. So it does have the 2 batteries, but you can actually also use a power bank. And I really like power banks. So let's see what else it comes with. Try not to rip the bag. They got it taped. It's not so much for that idea. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a full-fledged HDMI cord. Well, that's nice. It's pretty nice that they include that. There's a strap. Yay, so you don't lose it. And it looks like there's another lens cover in here. It does come with a 32 gigabyte SD card. I did look at it. It does support up to 128. So I'll probably be investing in one of those at some point if this thing works out. It does come with 2 batteries. 1, 2. And microfiber cloth. So you can clean your lens. So I'm going to set that aside, and I imagine that the one box that's left over is the camera. And of course, you know, you got the owner's manual. And what have you learned about the owner's manual and me? Until I need it. So we'll set that aside too. It's going to be a pretty small camera. I like the fact that they don't tape these boxes. I hate when they tape these boxes inside the box. So this one's actually a nicer little case than that other one. It's almost a velvety type bag. Okay. So this is 36 millimeter f3.2, the f7. It's 36 millimeter. That's the camera. That's what it looks like. What I really liked about this is that it's got a screen that flips over and it flips back. So you can either see if you're pointing from this way, you can see it, or if you're in front of it, you can see yourself vlogging on there. It does have the screw hole. I forgot what size that is. I know here you open this up and it's got the USB port, it's got the HDMI and the audio in, so you can actually have an external mic on this. That was the other selling point for me. And it's got the full HDMI, not a micro HDMI. So all those videos that you saw with me finally getting OBS together, and then the one with Will and I doing the capture card, I can use this now instead of the GoPro whenever I'm using that side. So that's why I'm really hoping this really works out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the battery in here. Hopefully they come a little charged. So set that aside. We'll Open up one battery here. I do not see a charger with it though, to put the battery on and then charge. So I guess what you'll have to do is charge them whenever they're inside, when it's inside the camera itself. Okay, so there's a spring in there, you just push it and it goes right in. I think if you push it, it comes right back out. So let's see if there's any battery on here. This is where the instructions come in play, huh? Power button's right here. Ooh. Right away. I'm liking that already. Oh, wow. I like that. Uh-oh. Welcome. Oh, figure out where that SD card goes. There again, instructions. Probably where the, oh, there it is, right down here. That was a pain. I'd like to see that a little bit different, but okay. I think I powered it off on accident. Okay, so welcome. Let's do the... It does have zoom in and out. Kind of like that. And from what I understand, you can, just like the GoPro on the tablet with the app, there is an app that you can download on this and utilize the app as well. So I did like that as well. So menu, capture mode, image size, sequence, quality. Oh, it does have an ISO and a white balance. I tell you what, why don't we, in just a second, I want to do something real quick. Let me grab this. That there. Because we're going to put that on there too. Let's go back to the camera. Now we're recording, and I'm holding it just like this. And we're going to be reusing the audio for the on the camera itself right now. So we put an external mic on there. So I wonder what that ultra wide lens looks like. So let's see what that does. I think it screws on there. See if this thing is. I hate metal and metal. It's like nails on a chalkboard to me. All right. So now there's the wide angle. So that makes a big difference right there, actually, because if you notice before, it was real close, and I'm not any farther away than I am now. So let's take this off. You'll see the difference. See the difference? Now I'm up close. So I like this wide angle thing. It's gonna work real well. And like I said, my primary objective is to use this as my primary camera for my YouTube. So that looks pretty cool. I like that. Gave me a little bit bigger handle so I can do the vlogging. So you just walk around and talk like this and do your thing. Whee! Sorry, made you guys dizzy. So I'm gonna actually come back and we're gonna put the external mic on and we'll see what that sounds like. All right, so this is the camera with the microphone on it. There's only 1 bar of battery left, so I don't know. It needs to be fully charged. But this is what it sounds like now with the microphone on it. So we'll walk around here, say hi to Superman. Woo, Superman. So yeah, there's Superman. But so far so good, I guess. So I'm gonna use this for a week. I'm gonna use it as a vlogging camera. I bought it primarily for my normal videos instead of, not for blogging or what have you. So we're gonna do this for a week. Check it out. See if it's well enough to keep around and utilize. The other thing I was thinking, and let me know if you're interested in this. I'm gonna probably do something on Wednesdays ish. Just small videos like Wednesday shorts. Talk about tech stuff. I'm trying to get away from this stuff and get closer into the computer part of it like I wanted to. I mean, a lot of this stuff that's you've been seeing throughout the few weeks here and there is pretty much stuff to get my YouTube channel going anyway. So in essence, it's kind of a vlog, I guess, but it's just showing you what I've got, what I've gotten for the YouTube channel. Gizzy just ran away, and we'll see how that works out. But the Wednesday shorts, I mean, 5-10 minute videos, if that, just to give you guys a little bitty of something to watch while you're waiting for my Saturday or Sunday video that I try to put out every week. So if you'd like to see that, I think I'm going to probably do that anyway. It's going to probably start here in a few weeks. So, all right, well, if you want to see part 2, it's just a 2-parter. This is just the unboxing and taking a look at the camera, see how well it is. And then the week use, I'm going to put something together for that and tell you whether or not I'm going to keep it or not. I like it so far. I mean, it's got good first impressions for me, but I want to mess around with it some more. But if you want to see part 2, consider subscribing. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.